Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Vasavi Virtual Program. This is Satish Kumar, Faculty of Chemistry. My dear students, today we are going to discuss one important topic from Elements Compounds lesson, and the topic is Elements and their Latin names. Yes, my dear children, already I told you we have 118 elements. So the first element is hydrogen, that is the first element, and the symbol of hydrogen is capital H, and the last element is aganesan. The symbol of aganesan is capital O and small g. So from hydrogen and aganesan you can understand one thing, my dear students. In the 118 elements, some elements are having a one letter symbol and some elements are having a two letter symbol. That is very important. So the elements which are having symbols as one letter, that is a best example hydrogen, and the elements which are having two letter symbol, for that the best example is aganesa. So I will show you few more examples here, my dear students. Carbon, which is having one letter symbol, that is capital C. Nitrogen, which is having one letter symbol, that is capital N. And as well as calcium, which is having two letter symbol, that is capital C and small a. And the silicon, which is having a capital S and small I, that is SI symbol. So you can understand one point, my dear students. The elements which are having a one letter symbol, that one letter you must write in capitals, and the elements which are having a two letter symbol, in that two letters the first letter should be in capital and the second letter should be in small. So this is the very important point. So here I am going to show you from 118 elements you have 11 elements purpose Latin names. We have 118 elements, but in that 118 elements only 11 elements are having Latin names. That 11 elements are: first one is sodium. Sodium Latin name is natrium. So from the natrium you can give symbol for sodium is Na. And second element is potassium. So potassium Latin name is Kalium. So you can write symbol for potassium K. And as well as third one is iron. So iron Latin name is Ferrum. So you can write symbol for iron is Fe. And as well as the fourth one is cuprum, nothing but copper. Copper Latin name is cuprum, Cuprum. So you can write symbol for copper is Cu. So from the Latin names we are taking symbols, that you have to understand here. And next I can write here argentum, nothing but silver. So silver Latin name is argentum. So the symbol is Ag. And as well as tin, so tin Latin name is stannum. You can write the symbol Sn. And the seventh one you can write antimony. So antimony Latin name is stibium. So you can write the symbol is Sp. And the next eighth one I can write here, that is Rm, nothing but a gold. Gold Latin name is Rm. So from the Latin name you can take symbol, that is Au. And the ninth one is I can write tungsten. Tungsten. Tungsten Latin name is Wolfram. So Wolfram symbol is W. And as well as you are going to get one more, my dear students, that is Mercury. Mercury Latin name is Hydrargyrum. Hydrargyrum. And the symbol of Mercury is Hg. And the last 11th one is lead. Lead Latin name is plumbum. and from the Latin name of lead you can take the symbol that is Pb. So, my dear children, these are the 11 elements which are having Latin names from 118 elements. Very important, my dear students. Just have an eye on this 11 elements. And here I am going to give you atomic numbers also. Sodium atomic number 11, potassium atomic number 19, iron atomic number 26, copper atomic number 29, silver atomic number 47, tin atomic number 50, antimony atomic number 51, and as well as gold atomic number 79, tungsten atomic number 74, mercury atomic number 80, and lead atomic number 82. So this is what, my dear students, 11 elements and the Latin names. I hope you got it. Thank you.